And on this channel, we break down complex healthcare billing into easy, actionable steps. If you're ready to master the world of medical finances, hit that subscribe button for more expert tips. Now, let's dive into some realistic healthcare billing mock calls. Ready? Let's go. Thank you for calling Union Healthcare. This is Sarah. How can I help you today?
Hi, I just received my billing statement and it says I owe $610. I'm not sure why I was charged that much.
I'd be glad to check that for you. To ensure your account security, may I please have your full name, date of birth, and the last 4 digits of your member ID?
Sure, my name is John Peterson, date of birth is July 12th, 1975, and the last 4 of my member ID is 2845.
Thank you, Mr. Peterson. I've pulled up your account now. I definitely understand how receiving a higher bill than expected can be frustrating. Let me take a moment to review the details so I can explain exactly what happened. Thank you for waiting. I reviewed your account, and the $610 charge is due to the dental and vision coverage you added starting April 1st, 2025. These are billed separately from your main medical premium. Here's the breakdown. $160 from April, which is unpaid dental and vision. $160 from May, also dental and vision. And $290 for your May medical premium. Altogether, that totals $610.
Oh, I see. I didn't realize the dental and vision were charged separately.
Yes, that's correct, Mr. Peterson. Dental and vision are billed separately from your medical premium, and since they were added starting April, those charges began applying then. Since the April dental and vision balance wasn't paid, it added to your May total.
Got it. That makes sense now. Thank you for explaining.
You're very welcome, Mr. Peterson, and I'm glad I could clarify that for you. Would you like any assistance with making a payment today or, setting up a payment plan?
No, I'll take care of it online. I just needed to understand the bill.
Sounds good. If you ever have more questions or need help in the future, feel free to reach out. And I completely understand that this billing amount can be confusing, so let me walk you through it one more time to make sure everything's clear. Your regular monthly premium for May is $290. In addition, there's a $160 charge for your dental and vision benefits for May. Now back in April, when those dental and vision benefits first started, there was also a $160 charge that was not paid, and that has carried over into this month. So when we add those 3 charges together, $290, $160, and another $160, that brings your total balance to $610. I hope that clears things up, and I'm here if you have any other questions.
Thank you, that's all.
You're very welcome. I'm glad that I was able to address your concern today. Again, this is Arlene. Thank you for being a valued member of Union Healthcare. Have a great day.
Thanks, you too. Bye.